Happy Vlogmas day 5, and it is Saturday, so let's make some breakfast. Sausage. Tell me why I have 4 containers of eggs. I think this one literally only has 1 in it. Good morning, guys. So I have a call with a client in about 30 minutes. So when I'm done eating, I will go upstairs and prep for that. I have a few minutes before my call. So I just kind of wanted to explain to you guys, because I've had a few coaching calls during Vlogmas. And so in January of 2021, I decided to become a Dr. Berg certified keto coach. Very quickly into my keto journey, I knew that I wanted to do more to help people. This YouTube channel helps a lot of people. It helps me. But I knew that there was just some more that I could do on kind of a one-on-one basis. So I got that certification, and then I launched my coaching program in August. And it has been amazing to hear from you guys and help you through whatever challenges you are having and help support you on your journeys. That stuff really fills my cup. I love helping people who, you know, are pre-diabetic and on the path to diabetes, or they have diabetes. Obviously have to work close with the physician on those ones. I really just love providing you guys with the meal guides every week, talking to you every week, and just really getting to know you on a different level and helping you through your journey, whatever that looks like for you. And it has just been so rewarding for me. I really enjoy it. It's not something I ever thought I would do, but as soon as I started keto, I was like, I'm used to like patient care. I'm used to the one-on-one patient care because I was a physical therapist assistant, and I love making those connections and helping people. So doing one-on-one keto coaching has been that connection with people for me. But I do want to mention that my prices will be increasing at the beginning of the year. So if you're interested in getting started on your health goals and anything like that before the new year, I offer a 4 and a 6 week program. So those include a weekly meal guide, personalized to you, made by me, and then also one-on-one meetings every week, just kind of like this via Zoom or whatever platform you want to do. And then you also have access to me via phone and email. So yeah, it's fun. I love it. I just noticed that a lot of people really need like that accountability and somebody to just be there for them, because not a lot of people have support in this journey from their families and things like that. So I love being that for people. I love educating about keto and problem solving and helping people throughout their journey. So we have a few more minutes before the call. I am going to drink some of my coffee, write down some of my notes that I want to ask and talk about and things for this call. Good morning. Oh, I just got done with my call. I know you're watching this, so thank you for watching. And that was a really good call, my dear. But yeah, this is why I help people and I coach people, because I just love you guys so much. Anyways, I have to go a few places with my mom and probably my sister, so we're gonna go do that. I have no idea. Puppy, how'd you get in here? Did you open the door? Who opened the Was it you?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I still have some coffee left. I'm gonna finish that. I haven't had my electrolyte water yet, so I'm gonna go do that as well. Got it. This is my last one. I hope they come in. All right, I gotta go. Love you. See you later. Hey-ya! So I am rushing to get to a place by noon because my mom and I, this place doesn't do online billing very well, and that drives me nuts because I suck at remembering to go into places. So I'm waiting for them to get in the car. We are going to run a few errands, and then we are going to go to lunch. So I'm going to share a few tips with you guys about eating out on keto. Who knew you were going to get that in this vlog? Not me. I will share that with you after we eat. So I'll see you in a little bit. Can I do the seared fresh veggies? And then can I add the beef tips? And then no dinner roll or muffin. Okay, so let's talk about navigating eating out when you're on a ketogenic lifestyle, low carb lifestyle, whatever. This sun is gonna bother the heck out of me. I'm honestly gonna move my car. Got it. The very first thing that I do when I get into a restaurant and I don't know the menu, I just quickly glance over it to see what they have. And the things that I'm kind of looking for are like wings, you know, obviously bone in and not breaded. Do they have burgers? Most places have a protein option, so you can always just forfeit. You can always default to wings, a bunless burger. Maybe they offer a lettuce bun for that burger. Same thing with sandwiches. Do they have sandwiches that you could get without the bun or ask as like a lettuce wrap? Salads are always a good option. Be careful with the add-ins for salad. A lot of places, the dressings have a lot of sugar in them. Stick to like the creamier ones. Even some vinaigrettes have sugar in it, so I would stay away from those. You're usually pretty safe with ranch, blue cheese, Caesar. Those are usually pretty good. Some places like to add in like the dried berries and all the other little things that go on top of a salad that make them really good. Just make sure you're reading all the stuff that they put in there and make sure it's not going to add too much sugar to the plate. So yeah, when all else fails, order a bunless burger and a side salad, or chicken and a side salad, meat and a veggie, protein and a veggie. That is just, everywhere has it. It's the easiest default. So yeah, anyways, guys, that is going to be it for today's vlogs. We aren't doing much the rest of the day. I'm just gonna go inside and hang out with my family, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for joining me today on day 5 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye.